This video is sponsored by Hunter Products. They are paying us for this video and they have also provided the toys free of charge. Well, hello everyone. It is I. Oh no, they're here. They're here with me.
It's me.
Today is another Crafting with Manny.
And you don't have
So we are moving to our new house literally in a day. So we've been packing. And do you want to know?
We're moving on Wednesday.
So you guys know, I've been on this like life hack train. I've been trying beauty hacks and well, I haven't done cleaning and organization hacks. I need to. So we've been doing all these hacks that I've been trying that are viral, ones I've been seeing on the internet. Lo and behold, we actually have a doll hack video for you today. And this is such a great break and so much fun with all this packing and moving because look at our new doll. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try her out. So this is the Ballet Dreamer Dancing Ballerina. So both of the girls have one. There's Ellie's, here's Naya's. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open up these dolls and then we're gonna show you some cool DIY kind of crafts and things to go along with her because she is a dancer. Think about making her either school supplies or kind of like some dancer supplies. Is there such a thing as dancer supplies? We're sitting here on the floor because, of course, that's where everyone plays. We're not at some fancy counter, fancy lighting, and fancy anything. We're just ourselves playing with toys.
And our dolls. I got a copy and we like.
So I'm gonna open her up. Let's get her out of here. Okay, and can I tell you, I'm really excited about this because look at her. She can like twirl and dance and she lights up and she has this pretty tiara. I mean, I'm super excited about this. And Naya, I know you love this because what have you been wanting to do? She has been wanting to take a dance class.
Because my dance moves are like bang, bang, but she's not taking a ballerina class though. Like dance class.
Yeah, I think she needs to learn a few moves from Ballerina Dreamer. Oh, look how easy she just comes out the box.
She just like slips
I know, she just slid right out. So there she is. Now you guys can see how pretty she is without the reflection. Isn't she gorgeous? All right, so let's take her out. Look at her feet. OMG.
Look at her shoes out.
I like her feet like that. They're gorgeous. I wish I could put, no, we're not gonna look at me point my leg.
Yeah, don't look at our feet.
Okay, so here she is. She looks super pretty and her arms, as you can see, can move. But I want you guys to see this. Let's see.
She's so pretty.
Can you guys see her skirt?
It's graceful. Wait, can she do the split?
Look at her tutu. So she comes with her ballet shoes. Now you want to put her ballet shoes on?
They're beautiful.
Okay, so Naya's going to put her ballet shoes on to show you guys how they slip on.
And there is a little thing where you can snap her shoes on. Yeah, that's really easy. Oh, this one's already has it. Boom.
There, you can see her pretty feet. Look at her point. I forget what this is called. I guess it is a point in ballet, but her legs just look amazing. Look at what Naya got her to do.
She's twisting.
Look, guys, this is amazing.
Oh, her leg, look.
Oh my gosh, look what Ellie got. Hold on. Look what Ellie did, guys. Do it again, Ellie. Get her leg to go back and forth. Ah! Oh my gosh, I love this doll.
Can you do this?
So much. Why do I love her so much?
But I like twirling. It's way better. Look, I can twirl and do this.
Oh my gosh. She's tapping her foot. Guys, why is this amazing? So Naya has the instructions there, so she's reading them. So
I'm gonna get her to do the splits.
So she can figure out how she can do all her
So
different
all
stuff.
you gotta do to make her do the splits is put your doll down gently, move her hair, and you're going to take it out, and you're gonna turn her off, so you can make her do the splits. So 1, 2, 3, look. She's about to do them.
Wow! Oh my gosh, and she sits by herself in her splits.
And then she makes all these cool music. And you can take your ballerina wherever you go.
Ah, look at Ellie! Ellie got a spin.
Why is she so talented?
It's actually a pirouette.
I wish I could do this, Mommy.
I can't do a pirouette to save my life.
Mommy, I wish we could do this, why?
I know, right? Look! She's doing a spin like the ballerinas do. up there. You can spin
Yeah,
her
see? And then you can
press her down and make her do all types of things.
Look, I can do this, the tap spin.
What I love is Naya's at an age where she can read the instructions herself and tell us everything that the doll can do. So if you turn her off and hold it down, she kicks back and forth. She's stretching stretching and warming up. Whoa!
Look, see? What?
Splat! Oh, there's Ellie's. Look. Here are all the instructions on how to make her work, but we've shown you a lot of the stuff already, and she really works really well. Okay, as you guys can see, the girls are behind me playing with their Ballerina Dreamer. What I thought would be really cool is to make them some cute toy accessories, some accessories to go with their toys. I am going to show you guys how to make a ballet kind of like gym bag, kind of like a tote for your doll. So the first one I'm going to make one for is Ellie. So take a look at this. So I have a big sheet of craft foam. And let me just say, I'm not really a crafter, but you moms out there know we do the best we can. So that's what we're going to do. So here's the craft foam. I'm going to fold this large sheet in half. And now what I'm going to do is, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take right here where I fold it, and I'm just going to cut this. Are you girls doing ballet competition?
Yeah, she's stretching right now for the big day.
Oh. Okay, so I'll scoot over so you guys can see them play as well. So I have my half sheet. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fold it in half. And as you can see, it kind of makes the opening for a gym bag. Now this is gonna get super simple, like so simple you're not gonna believe how easy this is. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna glue the side edges, okay? So we're gonna make them as even as possible. And I'll show you guys later how the girls will kind of participate in this. My glue gun doesn't stretch that far. It is crafted with mommy. It's a little bit of a struggle, so I don't have an extension cord long enough, so you're gonna have to deal with it. Now, let's put our glue. I'm gonna run the bead of glue along this edge, and I probably put too much right there, but we're gonna work with it. We have our first edge. Now we wanna line it up. There we are. We're gonna line it up and then press it. Honestly, would it be a crafting with mommy if it didn't have a little bit of something going on, right? And then of course down here, I missed that. So let's get that. It's not gonna be as perfect as the Ballerina Dreamer because obviously she's like a really well-made toy. And this is just kind of like mom crafting, but we're doing the best we can. Okay, so now I'm just gonna glue the other side. I'm putting too much glue again. So the girls have turned her off right now and they're just gonna play with her kicking and things so you guys can hear this. Do you guys see how that kind of looks like a tote? So what I'm gonna do is I'm now gonna make some straps for this. I think I have this pack of colored foam. I think I wanna use purple for this bag.
This is such a beautiful outfit.
I know. Well, I'm trying to get colors that kind of match what she's wearing. As you can see, she has purple in her skirt, so I'm trying to do a pink and purple. Yeah. So what you want to do is take the long side of this. We're going to kind of do a strap that kind of that's in it and wraps around. So we're going to make, I think, 4 long strips for this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to line these up on the table because we know that's a straight edge. Then I'm going to line this up as a straight edge. And I'm just going to use this as kind of my guesstimate for a straight edge for a strap. And I'm just going to take my pencil and draw it like that. And again, this is crafting with mommy, not professionals. So I'm gonna cut like right on the line or a little bit inside just so that black, once we're done, of the pencil mark does not show. I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna use this as kind of the guide for the other parts of my straps. Okay, so now I'm gonna do another line. Make sure I move my hand down. Okay, so now I have these parts, so I'm just gonna cut these really quickly. Okay, so now we have 4 different straps. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bag and we're gonna place 2 around and then we're gonna place 2 coming out here. So that's gonna be strap 1. So we're gonna glue that down in place. Voila, it wraps around. So we have the first strap of the tote bag kind of partially done. It's not completely done. Let's put the other one on. Oh, I got hot glue on the carpet. Okay, don't be like me, be a little neater. Don't craft like mommy. There, are you seeing how it's kind of starting to look like a tote bag? You guys see that? We have that part. Now we need to, obviously this strap is not gonna be long enough for the doll. or anyone because it's super short. So now I'm gonna cut these evenly. So we're gonna cut the tops of the tote bag evenly, and I'm gonna cut it like this. There we go. And like that. All right, crafting with Mammies on a roll. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our long straps and just secure them around. So you see we have these little parts, so we're gonna just tuck them into here and then put some glue on them. And again, I am making this craft up. I made this craft up myself. You're not gonna find this anywhere on the internet. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, so now we have that inside. So we're gonna take one part of the strap and put it inside here, the other part of the strap there, and as you can see, we have a cute little tote bag. So all we need for this is a little bit of glue here. I'll do one side at a time just so it doesn't get too messy. So we're gonna put one here. All right, so we're gonna put our other strap on that side. And voila! We have our tote bag, our first tote bag. There we go. So bag number one. And then the girls are gonna also decorate their bag, so we'll hide some of these imperfections. But again, it's just a fun kids craft. So for bag number two, I'm gonna choose this teal. Again, we're gonna fold it in half, like so. Line it up as best as we can. Then we're gonna cut it. And now, again, we're gonna fold it in half and glue our edges. I was a little neater this time with the glue. I learned from my last one. That's kind of what crafting with Mammy is all about. You kind of learn your lesson from your mistakes. Okay, so there we go. It's a little wonky, but I don't think it'll matter in the end. So there's our bag. Color I'm gonna choose is this bright pink. So I think teal and bright pink are super pretty. Are you guys having a dance off? Yeah. Oh, it's dance off.
We're seeing who can kick the highest.
Oh, and guys, you see our stuff over there? That's our stuff packed so we can move in our house.
Let's see who can kick the highest back.
Again, I've always been intimidated by crafting, and quite frankly, I've always been intimidated by most toys that need batteries because I just feel like it's too much for my brain to grasp. Like I'm not good enough for that stuff. But what I'm seeing is this doll, in all honesty, I'm gonna be honest with you, a lot of times we'll get toys, even when I buy toys, and we don't keep them because they're just not unique enough. And I'm gonna be honest with you. But I feel like this doll is really unique. And even the girls felt like they were just like, we've never seen a doll large like this, who does all this stuff, not complicated, not a bunch of, you know, stuff you have to learn, very short and simple. And and I feel as though when toys are simple like that, kids can use their imagination. So now I have this lined up, and I'm gonna make my other line. What are you two doing? Oh, look, they're like going, it was like going behind my head.
Come on, let's go behind.
You see them playing, and they're not over here like harassing me while I'm trying to craft for you guys. For a second, I got scared. I was like, wait, I'm not supposed to cut I don't know, I was losing my mind just now. All right, so I'm gonna take the sides where it's like an ugly pencil mark, you see? And I'm gonna put that down so you guys will never know. So if you made something like this, obviously for like Christmas or a birthday or like birthday gift, you would want it to look super, super good. So we're just gonna put a light bead of glue all down this. I'm gonna put it on like so. And I'm gonna try to tuck it down at the same time. Where are my scissors? I'm gonna cut this top part off. You guys are 12 and 13. Is that how old your dancer is?
Yeah, but we're practicing at night. And and because I was 5 minutes older, I just turned 13 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes,
oh, because you guys are twins, so you're 5 minutes older. So now I'm gonna cut these so I can tuck them in. I already have a little bit of glue on it. Okay, so there they are. And again, they're not even, but I think it's fine. All right, so there we go. I think that looks really good. And now we're just gonna put on the final strap. All right, so we're just gonna put some glue. So you wanna take this side, the opposite side now, and put glue on it. And we're gonna put it down in here. So now we have two gym bags, two ballet bags that our dolls can take to their ballet class.
Let's have a twirl battle. Whoever can twirl the most wins. On your mark, get set, go. Go. Be careful not hold to hit hole.
Uh-oh, let's see who is going to win in the battle of the twin twirl battle.
Look. And you know, and you can't.
Whoa! Now I got her leg higher. How'd you do that? Do you press it down harder?
What you do is that you just kind of touch it lightly, then.
Hey, you're not.
Boom!
Whoa! Okay, so pressing it.
Contact.
No, so when she presses it harder, her leg, you can make it go higher or low.
See, it's twirling higher and higher. See?
Oh, the higher you put, the harder you push the tiara,
Or you
the
can
better
do
she
the
spins. This doll is under $30 at Walmart. Like, really? Like, I mean, for under $30, this is what we're getting? This is amazing.
See, look, if you press it down like this, or you press it like this. I'm not feeling
They are so
I don't
cute.
think I can do a high kick. Let me try.
Naya, you want to hear something crazy? I just realized I made your bag and it matches your outfit. I didn't even think about that. Oh, Naya. Wait, Naya, Ellie, your headband. What?
And it messes the headband on hold.
That is amazing. So now the girls, as their part, they're going to decorate their bags exactly how they want. The gym bag is a little big for her, so I definitely would scale it down if you want it to fit her exactly. But I think it's just kind of like a pretend play piece. So, and it's big enough that the girls can kind of put little art supplies or whatever they want in it, and it matches their doll. Or they can make yoga mats, or you can just put a whole bunch of ballet accessories in there. And so then the doll would need a huge bag to take like her mat and her different foam rollers, that type of thing.
And she
that ballerinas need.
Petals, and then let's add the yellowness.
Well, good morning, guys. Today is the next day. My phone actually died, but the girls like spent so much time crafting these, and then I think Naya's supposed to put dance right there. Leap deck. I don't know, but here is Naya's final dance bag toy hack. And here is Ellie's. And if you can hear that sound, guess who was playing with their Ballerina Dreamer like 7 o'clock in the morning. This is our last day here in our rental, and we were so busy packing last night, but these dolls kept them busy. Naya versus Ellie. Yeah. Yay! Oh, look at those feet.
Oh, you
Get it, girl, get it. Wait, let me see that foot. Get it, girl, get it. 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 But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. And again, like I said, these dolls, parents, these dolls are at Walmart for less than $30. Like, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, guys, look at your hair. And Naya has all this oil on her face. I don't know what happened.
When I was coming here, guys, make sure to do ballerina dancing like Bella. Cause she is a professional. She's
Okay, guys,
go to dance
Ellie
class
calls her
tonight.
Bella.
And make sure Naya goes to dance class.